Making animated videos can seem daunting, but with the right tools and resources, it can be a fun and creative process. Here are some general steps to make an animated video. Determine the purpose and target audience. Before you start creating an animated video, define the purpose and target audience for the video. It will help you to decide on the style, tone, and content of the video. Choose the right software. There are various animation software available that allow you to create animated videos. Some popular options include Adobe Animate, Toon Boom Harmony, Blender, and Powtoon. Create a storyboard. A storyboard is a visual representation of your video's storyline. It is like a comic strip that outlines each scene of your animated video. It helps to organize your ideas and visualize the flow of the video. Design the characters and scenes. Once you have a storyboard, you can start designing the characters, backgrounds, and objects for your video. You can use existing templates or create your own designs. Animate the characters and scenes. After you have designed the characters and scenes, you can start animating them. You can use various animation techniques such as keyframes, tweening, and motion paths to bring your characters and objects to life. Add sound and music. Sound effects and music can add another dimension to your animated video. You can use royalty-free sound effects and music or create your own. Finalize and export the video. Once you have completed animating and adding sound to your video, you can finalize it by adding credits and a call to action. Finally, you can export the video in the desired format. There are many online tutorials and courses available that can teach you how to make animated videos in more detail. Good luck with your animation project.